In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page number in Scribus. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to select the first page where you want your page number. I'm going to select the page 1 over here, and you want to go to your text box, text tool up here, click on it, and then draw a text box wherever you want your page number to be. So I want it down here at the bottom left, and then you want to just click in so it starts blinking. So the cursor should be blinking. Don't type anything in, but make it selected, make it blink, and go to the Insert tab up top, hover over character, and click on page number. This is going to add a page number, and now it says 1 over here. And what we have to do from this point is just basically select this text box like that, and you want to copy it by clicking Ctrl+C on your keyboard. So of course, same would be if you click on right click copy, but Ctrl+C is a shortcut. And then you want to go to your second page, press Ctrl+V over here, or right click and paste, and then it's going to just add it in. And as you can see, it's automatically numbered as number 2, and I can do the same for number 3, for number 4, and all of them are going to have numbers. So that's how to add page numbers. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.